Hey everyone, my name is Jack. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. So I got the new Smallrig X99 X Touch V-mount battery. Okay, so this is the battery. It comes with this book here, instruction manual. Okay, here's the battery. Here's this charger that comes in this box here. Here's the battery itself. Okay, so we'll just take that out, and I want to show you something cool. We'll just turn it on. All right, so you touch it, touch this button on the side to turn it on, and then here's the menu and it's touch screen. So you can scroll here with the different outlets, different ports, and then you can touch down, and then there's a light on here. So if you click and hold this, it turns the light on. This one is wireless, so you can connect to a Bluetooth, the Small Go app, and you can turn the light. There's a LED light in the back. So you can, like, say it's dark on set or wherever you are, you can use this LED light. And then this is like the brightness. This is the power button right here to power off. So yeah, that is, then here's a 49%. So it's really cool. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, God bless you all. Take care. Have a great day. Look at this, is my cat. You're one of my cats. All right. Well, God bless you all. Take care. Have a great day, and like the video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.